Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the iPad has power. Plug it into a charger for at least 15 minutes so a drained battery isn't the culprit. Once charged, perform the force restart sequence. Press volume up, press volume down, then press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. You do this because the forced reboot clears transient system hangs without erasing data. It restarts iOS processes and often resolves freezes quickly. If nothing happens, keep the cable ready for the next step. Once the force restart didn't fix it, connect the iPad to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. You need to enter recovery mode. Repeat the force restart sequence, but hold the top button even after the Apple logo until you see the recovery screen with a cable icon. Now the computer will offer update or restore. Choose update first. This reinstalls iPadOS without erasing your data. You pick restore only if update fails, because restore erases the device and requires a backup to recover your content. Once the computer finishes, follow on-screen setup to restore from iCloud or your backup so your apps and settings return. Make sure to test responsiveness. If the iPad still freezes, try a different cable, another USB port, or a second computer because faulty connections can block recovery. If those steps fail, your issue may be hardware. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see frequent freezes after restore, consider hardware service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.